YouTube. This is the Dark Souls Project, and I'm back. Unfortunately, I had to kill the Blacksmith by using a cheap tactic of using arrows and standing outside that door up here. So, he's dead, and his ragdolled body is there. So I got the crest of Astoris, or whatever it's called, and a blacksmith's hammer. So I do not have a blacksmith until either I kill the butterfly thing or something else. So this is gonna be fun. Oh crap. Come on, mate. Over here. Over here. Uh-oh, bad idea. Whew. Okay. Oh, jeez. What's up, bro? Okay, nothing. Hopefully I'm able to break off this guy's tail. And if I'm not, this is gonna... Uh-oh. Ow. Uh-oh. Am I trapped? No. Ow. Hey, come over here. Don't go over there. Nope. Come on, then. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, I need to get back for a sec. Who? Oh, roll. No. Not a good idea. Wow. Oh, jeez. Only reason I don't like the Skamar is for that reason. Oh! Okay, I'm just gonna shoot him now. No. 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 Oh, this is so cheap. Like, this is beyond cheap. This is just, jeez. If I had lightning arrows right now, that could be useful. Since for some reason the lightning giant's only weakness is lightning. Ooh. I deserved that one. Oh, crap, still alive. Uh-oh, roll. Jeez. Time to play it safe. That was not playing it safe. Yes. Holy crap. Okay. Fire. Shoot one. Fire. Shoot one. Wow, this is really... This is cheap. So cheap. Okay. Sorry about how long this is taking. Jeez. Oh, yes. Yes. Huh. Oh, I didn't intend this to be so long. He has so much health. Oh, no. Oh, jeez. This is taking a nice gap at it. No. Jeez. Okay, I'm just running past him. I don't care anymore. Okay. So, time to continue on with the mission. Because obviously I can't kill the... Okay, really? How did you even get down here? That's weird. Well, time to run through. Okay. Well, now that that's all over, let's see what we can find out here. And switch back to this. I just wasted like 80 arrows. Why is this only doing like 18 damage to everything? Ow. Huh. Hey. Come on then. Let's see it. Oh, wait. Yeah, I should probably go pick that 1,000 souls up. Maybe. Okay, so, where am I? Okay, so I got the Skamar. Okay. Well, here we are, Darkroot Garden. Uh-oh. That was great. It's freaking stupid though. I can make it before the bug disappears. Yeah. Let's do this. Yes, I got this. Are you ready for this? Yeah. No. Bug, don't disappear. No. Ah. That was close. Okay, so I saw some items right up here. Okay. Village corpse. Leather armor and a longbow. What type of bow is this? I can never get used to these controls. Short bow. Well, that's considerably more damage. what type of shields do I have? Okay. 83, what does this take? Well, okay, so -5, why -5? So I have to have 0 dexterity. So, that's weird. Wait, so if it's taking 5 out, durability's not too great. Okay, I think I'll stick with this guy for a little bit. Okay, so let's check down here. Ooh, more body. Oh, not good. Not good, not good, not good. No. Face me. Ow. Face me. Don't let me have your back, dude. Okay. Hey, don't fall off the cliff, by the way. Come on. Oh. Haha! Oh, yeah, 5 dead, 34. Okay. Okay, dude, really? Don't fall off the cliff. Okay. That was a little close, but... Ow. Okay, fine. Fall off the cliff then. I don't care. Jeez. Come on, then. Wow. I'm horrible at this. Okay. Hold on, let me check time real fast. Hold. Okay, guys. Well, I will end this here. It's been nice. So, comment, rate, like, subscribe, so on and so forth. You guys have a good day. I'm out. Oh, wait. Okay, okay, see you guys later.